आज फिर खोले दिल के ताले।
वेलकम बैक टू कतर्स नंबर 1 हिंदी रेडियो स्टेशन रेडियो वालो 106.3 एफएम। ये है ऑफ माय प्लेलिस्ट। मैं हूं आरजे विवेक एंड फॉर दिस वीक आई हैव अ 25 ईयर ओल्ड सिंगर सॉन्गराइटर जो है चंडीगढ़ से एंड करंटली इज बेस्ड आउट ऑफ मुंबई, हैरी अरोरा। वेलकम।
Thanks, man. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. Thank you.
फर्स्टली आपका नाम हैरी सही में रखा गया है कि उसका कुछ फुल फॉर्म है नाम का?
So my real name is Harpreet Singh,
Okay.
and my surname goes as Arora, Harpreet Singh Arora.
Okay.
But there's a friend of mine who started calling me Harry because I think he was just way too cool to just call me Harpreet. So that's how it happened, and then all of my friends started calling me Harry, and it happened to be my artist name as well.
It sounds pretty cool as well because it seems like an English plus Hindi name, तो काफी cool भी combination sound करता है. But let's start with getting to know you better. आपका interest कहाँ से start हुआ music में and like from the scratch to now आपकी music की journey के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा सा.
So I was 5, 6. I had started summer classes, and I used to go for some competitions at school, the group songs or the solo songs or something like that. So that happened to me, and I was very bad at sports. So जो भी free period होता था, everybody used to go to the sports ground, or I used to go to the music room, and that's where it happened. So in college I picked my guitar, and then I started learning also. Like I went to a few gurus around in Chandigarh, and I started learning Hindustani classical music. I'm still learning. I started doing some shows around Chandigarh. Relatives, parents were not so happy about it because I was playing shows for restaurants, and it was I mean they didn't see a lot of respect there, but it was one of the I was loving that time, and that made me kind of drop out of college at the last moment. It was just one exam left that I would have completed my graduation, but
Wow.
I took that decision because कि मेरे पास option ही नहीं होगा, तो I'll not be inclined toward the idea of doing the masters. So I dropped it. I came to Bombay. I did one of my sound engineering ka course from Mumbai Music Institute. It's in Kandivali, Mumbai. And after that, I got signed with Z because I was doing some open mics around in Mumbai, and someone from Z saw me and they made me try a few songs, and that's when they signed me as a playback singer. It's not exclusive or anything. Then I did a job for 1.5 years as a sound engineer at Meet Bro Studios. Yeah, that's been it. I've been learning throughout, and and on the side I was releasing my own songs. And then like last year I quit my job at Meet Bros as well, and I've been just working on my album, and Z happened to select it. I got some funds to actually do give it a good quality music video.
And now are your parents supportive enough or they are still कि अभी भी थोड़ा सा और time लगेगा?
Kind of. They want more, I think, career, because they have no clue what happens in this career.
True.
How do you grow? They are just worried about my sustainability, my living. So yeah, I don't blame them, but yeah.
Yes. So talking about this week's Off My Playlist song, आपका जो ये गाना है Z के साथ, it's a sweet, lovely, a very happy song. It's called Dil Ke Tare, which has over 29,000 views on YouTube. जो आपने लिखा है, compose किया है, and you have sung as well. I just love the song. I am hooked onto it.
Thank you so much.
And I somehow discovered the song. किसी ने डाला था, किसी और musician ने डाला था अपनी story पे, and then that's how I got to know about this song. And in total love with the song and with the video. So पहले इस गाने के बारे में बताइए कि ये गाना आपने कब लिखा था? What was the whole process of the song writing? क्या सोच के आपने लिखा था?
So this was actually just the third song I've ever written. It goes all the way back to 6 years ago when I was I had just picked up my guitar, and there was some crush happening in my life or something like that, and I guess that's how it happens. That's how you write the songs. And मैंने लिखा था तो उसके कुछ 1 या 2 weeks तक तो मैंने किसी को सुनाया नहीं था because I was not sure about it.
Okay.
And I was really a wacky singer at that time. I was not good singer. So I made sure that I had done a good recording. So I sent it to few of my female friends at first because they kind of give you some really good motivation, with some hearts and whatnot. So I grabbed that first, and then I went to some musicians who would actually give me some hard reviews, and they gave me, man, like they really made me cry. I was like, you need to work on this, and that's how I kept working on this. And more musicians heard it, and they added their own inputs into it. A friend of mine, Bhumit Shah, who started playing guitars over it, and made it sound much better in the end of it. Like it goes from it वो double tempo जाता है एकदम से. And then of course my producers Chaitanya, who has produced it, and Aditya Verma, who assisted this production. Throughout these years जो मैंने vision था मेरा, they actually made it. I used to hear Nikhil D'Souza, Pratik Kuhad, or The Local Train, or Silk Route. The simplicity in their writing was what I was really inclined towards at that time, and that's what happened. That's what happened in the song. I made it very simple. I just put out my feelings, whatever I was feeling, and the first half of it is very positive, the good feelings that you have. The second half of it is thoda sa sad के, क्योंकि उस time पे when you are falling in love तो आपके पास सारे positive thoughts नहीं आते. That's there. And then there's an English verse, because मेरे साथ ऐसा होता था कि I used to really have this issue के जो मैं इंग्लिश में थॉट्स आ रहे हैं मुझे, वो मैं इंग्लिश में ही लिख सकता हूँ. जो पंजाबी में थॉट्स आ रहे हैं वो मैं पंजाबी में लिख सकता हूँ. So in this there is this line which says तो इस बार पहले अगर हीर आके बोले की फर्क पऊगा, मजियां चिरांदा रांझा रह जाना है इतिहास है गवा. So I can never write this in हिंदी क्योंकि मजियां चिरांदा अभी अगर मैं उसको हिंदी में अगर कन्वर्ट करता हूँ, ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ, तो इट विल साउंड भैंसों को घास चिराता रह जाएगा, which doesn't sound good at all.
And especially for romantic track, yeah, not at all.
Exactly. And Majjiyan Chiranda Ranja, it's a phrase, or it's the way it is said, like in Punjabi stories or.
Yeah, I was about to come to that part, because as we go towards the end of the song, we hear Hindi to गाना चल ही रहा था, English भी आता है, and then eventually a line of Punjabi, and I was like, damn, there are at times कि आप हिंदी गाते हो तो शायद आप English इतना अच्छा शायद नहीं गाते हो, या फिर आप English गाते हो तो आप हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं गाते हो. But when I heard your English part, and when of course then it going on to the Punjabi part, I was blown away, and I was like, this is amazing. It suits so good. Was it fun to drive Kali Pili around the streets of Mumbai?
It was a great experience. It was a very weird experience, because like there were times when I was just driving in between of shots. People used to come and ke bhaiya wahan pe chhod doge. I was like, damn, this is one experience.
Amazing. The video is amazing as well. Compliments the song to the best possible way. Harry, if you could just sing few lines of the song Dil Ke Taale, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I would love to, yes. जब भी तेरे बारे में सोचता हूँ मैं, अजब सी एक हंसी आ जाती है. ठोकरें खाई है, पता नहीं फिर से कैसे इस दिल ने किसी को चाहने की हिम्मत जुटाई है. I can't just ask out someone ever again. 'Cause I don't think they're gonna love me back too. But baby, if you want me, come anytime you can. Oh, I'll be here singing just another song for you. तो इस बार पहले जो हीर आके बोले की फर्क पऊगा मज्जियां चिरंदा रांझा रह जाना है इतिहास है गवाह चल आज फिर खोले दिल के ताले सारे निकल जाने दे सभी राज आए ना आए फिर मुड़ के रे हंसी दिल में ऐसा कोई खास ना रे ना ना रे ना रे ना ने ओ ना रे ना रे ना 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 रे ना ने ओ ना रे ना रे ना ना रे ना ना रे ना रे ना ना रे ना na na re na na re na re na.
Loved it, Harry. Thank you so much. That was amazing. Wow.
Thanks so much.
That was great. Dil Ke Tale, for everyone who's watching right now, definitely check it out. Harry, thank you so much for being on this show. It was a lovely pleasure to have you, and you have a long way to go. You just started,
Thank
and
you
I
so
hope
much, man.
कि आप
Thanks for
ऐसे
having me.
ऐसे आप गाने बनाते रहिए भाई. You will just be rocking on the stage.
Thank you so much for having me. It's
Thank
a great honor, really.